Hey guys, this is Kate, and this is my 30-day project. I'm doing mine about getting fit, and the four aspects of that is drinking more water, eating healthier, strength, and cardio/endurance. And so for a lot of those, achieving them meant getting a gym membership, which I did, and I did some baseline ate data. So with my drinking water, I only drink 20 ounces on average a day, and I should be drinking 80 ounces. So that's my goal. For my baseline for cardio and endurance, I ran 106 calories on the treadmill, 0.67 miles, and 64.4 calories on the steps, and I did 2.5 miles and 74.2 calories on the bike, and that was my baseline. And then a lot of my strength, a lot of it was with my arms, was the bare minimum 10 reps of 25 pounds or 10 reps of 10 pounds for the ones that you just put weights on. The legs, when I was squatting a seated squat, I was doing 70 pounds, which is weak for my first time. Yeah, the gym, it's a tiring place, and also eating healthier. My baseline data is that I eat out way too much, and I spend too much money eating out. So I'm going to watch more what I eat, and I think that means more eating at home. So I'm excited.